Hello everyone, this is K is for General Graphics channel, and now time to learn After Effects. The first lesson about After Effects classes in plugins is particular. The most important plugin is particular. What is particular and what is very important to know about particular? Let's start. Okay, before starting about particular, first you must know what's particular and where you can use this. Particular most used in visual effects films, in motion graphics. This is a lot of samples about particular. So create a new composition and go back to layer and select new solid. Okay, or you can rename the solid to particular. Press OK and go back to effects and select Trapcode particular. You can search particular name in effects and presets window. From there, then you can drop the particular on your solid. The solid is black color and this is the particular test. Okay, we have a multi options there. This is the designer point. You can select your presets, double click. This is all kind of presets for particular, like OBJ, like point particles, 2-point particles, multi. And there is show system. You can create 16 particle presets, which is used in solar systems, universe documentaries, and close again. This is emitter. What kind of particle bird you need? This is the box, this is a sphere, and this is great. Select the point. Okay, how many particles per second want a bird? In per second 360 or 100. And this is rotation about particles, and this is box, and you can change it XYZ individual. And there is particle parameters. This is just for create your particle. In glow sphere you can change the size, random size, or you can select cloudlet for making a snowfall. If you want to make a snowfall, then down the size 2, and for making motion or gravity, go to physics, and this is the fast physics. There is a lot of option about physics. And if you want to change the gravity about particles, then go to environment, and down the gravity you can up the gravity, then render. Okay, then go back to particle and change the opacity down, and change the size up, and change the opacity random, then simulate or render. And you can change the gravity, turbulence, field. This is environment, gravity, air, turbulence, position. You can move the particular point, select, move the particular point. Where is the point? This is the position and this is the point. Move to there and play again. Okay, this is another option about physics simulation, to making bounds like rain, to make fluids, liquids, and more. I want to make a lot of projects about particular after this tutorial, and this tutorial is just for introducing the particular, some important options. And this is the lighting. The lighting, you can select a new light, point light. You can change the light color and press OK. Then go back to particular and go back to lighting parameter, turn on. This is the lighting. Go back to particular, and this is visibility about creating a camera so far so near to camera lens. And this is rendering option. If your computer is very low performance to work on particular, you can change the acceleration from CPU to GPU if you have a graphics card. If you don't have graphic card, you can select from GPU to CPU to work fast with particular. And this is about depth of field, focus, defocus, and there is a motion blur. You can turn on the motion blur and go back, delete the light again, and select the particular and turn off the light parameter, and now play. This is the motion blur. When you on the motion blur option from rendering. Okay, thanks for watching. This is a very little introduce about particular. Wait for the another tutorials and projects for particular. Thanks for watching, for supporting us. Like and subscribe. See you next time.